Hi, everybody. Hope we are doing well. My name is CPA Jovia. I would like us to talk about two things. We're going to talk about tax here in the US and tax back home in Uganda. We need to understand how tax works in both territories. First of all, many of us here have property, have businesses, have families back home. So we need to understand how are we coping up with the tax back home. For example, I had complaints of people being taxed at the airport on certain products and or certain items, and they don't know why. But we need to know for some items beyond $500, you're going to pay some tax. So these are things we need to learn. Secondly, many of us here invest in real estate back home. People have rentals, but they don't understand how this rental tax works. Secondly, they don't even know the difference between property rates and property tax. When do I pay to URA or when do I pay to KCCA or any other city council? So we need to understand this. Some people have employees, people who work on the farms, and they even don't know how these people are supposed to be paid and taxed. Because you're here, you have 5 workers on the farm, you're paying actually beyond 235,000, which is the minimum. You don't even tax these people. So you need to understand how this tax thing works back home, because I don't want to wake up one day after 10 years of being here, you go home and you find yourself with a very huge tax liability. Let's walk through this together. Secondly, the tax about US system. How do we really pay taxes here? I know many of us know this, but still there are so many people who don't know. For example, international students, are you aware that you're supposed to file for taxes here in the US? Secondly, as we are in the tax session from January to April 15th, this is the tax season right now for the tax year 2023. What are these deductions I'm supposed to claim? Am I expecting a tax refund or a tax credit? When am I supposed to pay to the IRS, the Internal Revenue Services, which is in the US? Am I supposed to file both federal and state tax? If I don't earn anything and I'm an international student, am I really supposed to file for tax? So these are the questions you're going to answer in this very session. So expect a video about Ugandan tax, expect a video about American tax. Expect more videos about accounting, management, business advisory, finance. Expect more videos about tutorials for QuickBooks for students. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.